Tutorial number 3.2. In this tutorial, I will draw the background for the character with a wreath in my animation titled 2019 Happy New Year.
Link of animation will be in the description box below.
Now let's get started with this tutorial. 1. Color everything in red. 2. Layer medium yellow dithering on top. 3. Create bands of different sizes of white. Instead of drawing a rectangle, I used the selection tool to take blocks of color away. 4. Color some bands in yellow and leave the rest white. 5. Layer small red dithering on top of some yellow bands. 6. Layer medium red dithering on top of some yellow bands. 7. Draw a snowflake to copy and paste it onto your background. This is how I drew my snowflake. And bam, copy and paste the snowflake onto your background. 8. Finally, don't forget to include the character we drew in the previous tutorial to complete the picture. Hope you like this tutorial. Comment any thoughts, suggestions, and questions down below. Coming soon is tutorial 3.3. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Dreaming Cream.